శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshittu is now talking to Kalipurusha, saying that, O Kalipurusha, this country, this place is called Brahmavartam. Here only dharmam and satyam should be continuously going on. Here all the people are following Veda dharmam and doing yajnas. With that yajnas they are pleasing, satisfying Paramapurusha, Yajnapurusha, Srimannarayana. Now that is why na vartitavyam. You should not be staying here. You do not deserve to live in this place. O Kalipurusha, only with the yajnas Srimannarayana will be satisfying, Srimannarayana will be pleasing, and then Srimannarayana will be conferring the happiness, peace to the entire world. O Kalipurusha, Srimannarayana is receiving yajnas and fulfilling the wishes of all the people. The one who is everywhere, internally and externally, is known as Paramatma, Srimannarayana. He is the one reason behind the survival of each and every entity. O Kalipurusha, that is why navartitavyam, you should not be living in this country, in this place. Come on, get away from here. Like that, Parikshittu warning Kalipurusha. At that time, Parikshittu was holding a big sword and he is ready to punish Kalipurusha. At that time, Kalipurusha was getting so much scared by looking at Parikshittu, and also Parikshittu is looking like a Yamadharmaraju holding Yamapasam. When Kalipurusha has seen Parikshittu like that, immediately Kalipurusha saying that, O Sarvabhauma, O Parikshin Narendra, according to your order, I will go away from here and live somewhere. But now wherever I see Jagadishvara ni yadidamu dhagadhagita prabhalatoda darachugamerayan, wherever I see, I am seeing only you holding bow and arrows and sword. O Parikshin Narendra, I will definitely follow your orders. But I am requesting you now, please show me a place where I can live. I can start living over there. You tell me the place where I can start residing. Like that, Kalipurusha is now requesting Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.